Hello Cambly learners, my name is Taylor and I'm a Cambly tutor. Today we have a delightful challenge. We're going to learn the difference between two commonly confused words, practice and practice. Only one letter separates these words and they sound the same, yet they have different uses. Can you already guess what the difference might be? If not, don't worry. That's our mission for today. So here's the trick. In American English, practice with a C can be a noun or a verb. But in British English, practice with a C is a noun and practice with an S is the verb. So let's dive into this with some examples. Consider these sentences. I need more practice to master the guitar. That's a noun. I practice the guitar every day to improve. That's a verb. Looking at these sentences, in American English, practice with a C can be used for both sentences. However, in British English, we use practice with a C for the first sentence and practice with an S for the second. So here's a fun way to remember. In British English, practice with an S is a verb, and so is the word is. It's as if the verb is lends its S to practice. Now, let's put on our detective hats. It's time for a spot the mistake exercise. I'll present you with sentences that either correctly or incorrectly use practice and practice. Your job is to determine whether the sentence is correct or not. And if incorrect, replace the wrong word with the correct one. He's been going to the piano practice for 6 months now. This is incorrect. It should be practice because it's a noun. Her singing practice was greatly appreciated by everyone. This is incorrect. It should be practice as it's a noun. The soccer team will practice every Wednesday. Correct in British English, but in American English, it should be practice. The dentist's practice is around the corner. This is incorrect. It should be practice with a C as it's a noun. I need to practice my English more often. This is correct in British English, but in American English, it should be practice with a C. This exercise should help you become more accustomed to seeing practice and practice used correctly in context. Are you ready for more? Now let's play a quick choose the right word game. I'll give you a sentence with a blank and you'll fill it in with either practice with a C or practice with an S according to British English. Here we go. You need to practice your speech before the presentation. The answer is practice with an S. He went to the doctor's practice for his checkup. The answer is practice with a C. She wants to practice yoga to improve her flexibility. The answer is practice with an S. After years of practice, she finally mastered the violin. The answer is practice with a C. Fantastic work, everyone. We've tackled the confusion between practice and practice. Just remember, in American English, practice with a C is used for both nouns and verbs. But in British English, practice is a noun and practice with an S is the verb. And don't forget our fun memory tip about the S in is and practice with an S. Don't forget to subscribe to Cambly English YouTube channel for more fun lessons. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or computer. Schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.